to blend our garlic and onion into little pieces, and we are going to blend them a little smaller so they can fit in our meat.
Okay, press the power button. It's on. Okay.
This.
Pulse. Yep. Pulse again. Make them smaller.
Okay, this seasoning that we use is oregano leaves, and this seasoning smells already peppery. We use oregano leaves, pepper, salt, and what is this?
It's just Mrs. Dash.
And it's Mrs. Dash and breadcrumbs from Trader Joe's. We got some eggs, some onion and
Garlic.
and garlic,
And 2 pounds of.
and 2 pounds of turkey and oregano leaves and this little thing that I don't know what it's called.
A teaspoon.
A teaspoon and
Pepper and salt.
And pepper and salt in this little
Tablespoon.
tablespoon and
1 cup.
1 cup of breadcrumbs in the big tablespoon.
No, it's called a cup.
In the big cup.
And how many eggs?
2 eggs and 2 pounds of turkey.
Okay, so first we're gonna mix the eggs, scramble the eggs.
Okay, should I scramble them?
Yep,
Mix them?
yep. Okay, now pour it into your meat.
What about this?
Hold on to your fork and pour it into the meat.
Pour it?
Yes, that's what I said. And pour in your onion and garlic.
And pour in your onion and garlic after the eggs? No, it's not coming out. This guy doesn't want to come out. Oh, I just spilled it. Don't my eye. I don't want my eye getting all teary up. I'm trying to get all this out. Is that enough? Okay, now what? Breadcrumbs?
Sure, whatever order you'd like.
Breadcrumbs. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, now another order you want?
Mm-hmm.
Can I do pepper and salt?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, now another order? This one?
The oregano.
Oh, I just spilled it in. I just spilled the oregano. Hi, this is gonna be such a yummy dinner.
What are we having for dinner tonight? What are we making them into?
Meatballs!
Meatballs with what?
Pasta sauce. I'm gonna squeeze that one in there. Ugh. Is this too big? I gotta hurt this side. Ow! And this side. When you're done, you might want to wash your hands. It's 400 degrees.
Mm-hmm. And how many meatballs do we have?
18. So 2 pounds of
Ground turkey.
brown turkey makes 18 meatballs. I am only 6 years old, so I can't handle the oven yet. So my mom is going to put them in. After 30 minutes, our meatballs are done, and these look very tasty. And don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more videos.